Entrance. Or natural light of the natural entrance. Notice there's a way back there. All right, so I'm just taking a break here. I'm not tired, I just want the camera to have a chance to look around. It's 5K resolution, but only records like 60 megabits per second, so it's a lot of compression. It's kind of pathetic, actually. Notice they have a gate at each entrance, so they could lock it open or lock it closed. That way, if it is closed, you know, they can actually block it with a gate, so you can't plead ignorance. Like, oh, I didn't see the sign that said it was closed. There are people like that, you know. All right, so there's the entrance to Mushpot Cave, Lava Beds National Monument.